So guys, I'm gonna give away and play Grow a Garden normally. Guys, okay. I told you from the first giveaway, you see this right? This all a lot of money, right? It's a lot of money, right? It's a lot. And I have in my inventory. I'm gonna give that away. Each people, I'm gonna give 5 moon melons are worth 10 billion. Guys, just like the video and comment your username and subscribe, you know that, right? And we're gonna be at the first place at the in the world. Wow. We're gonna be the first ever person to complete the word. Ano po sinasabi? What I meant saying though. I don't know what I meant saying, but it's it. And I got scammed with 2 cook owls and it's gone now. Look. Look. Have no cook owls. No, there's no cook owls left because I got scammed and I have a lot of seeds and that. Yeah guys, we're gonna play other game next. Yes boy. Yes. We're gonna play. I just pick. Let's leave this now. Let's leave. Not right now, but we're gonna play Steal a Brain Rot. Joke. We're not gonna play Steal a Brain Rot. We're gonna play. What should I play? Slap Tower. Yeah, I know the Slap Tower. Slap Tower. This Slap Tower now, guys. Guys, I joined the group already. Do you not know? There's a secret room now here? Oh. But there's a secret door. No way. No freaking way, guys. We're gonna go up there. Seriously. Bro, I'm lagging. Oops. Bro. Losers. No. Oh, hey, I'm gonna cry. This girl gonna be stopped by me. She's gonna be stopped on me. Whoop. She's dead. I got, bro. I'm just gonna run. Oops. Don't slap. No trollers. No slap hole. What? Bro, why? Just tell me why. Bro, why? Don't tell me. I'm Nizar, guys. I'm not just a normal person. I'm just Nizar. Please run. There's a hunter bacon. Run. Noob. You have to be punished. Noob. You have to be punished, noob. No. I have to make it in the top. I don't know how to do that. But please. Yeah. Just come there. And there. Go there. Yeah. No. Yeah. This is good. I don't know how to do that. Oh, yeah, first try. Not gonna trick me with that. And my dog is kissing me in the butt. Yo! Huh? Yeah, baka! Ali, baka! Let's go here, here, here. Bro, I don't know how to do this. How? Bro! No! I'm sorry. I just missed.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
Not gonna play that in the whole year. What should I play? What should I play? Still a brain rot? You guys begging to me to play still a brain rot? Comment next, what should I play next? Any game. It's okay, it is without Roblox. That's my base. I reboot a lot of times. What I need to reboot? Chef Krabarakadra. That, bro. I'm gonna steal. I don't want to buy. I'm gonna steal because I'm a stealer. Bro, she leave. I thought it was an enemy. I don't know to play this joke. There's a tralala tralala. There's a tralala tralala. There's a tralala tralala. Bro, he's locked. He's locked up there. No, 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 please, no, no, I'm frozen. No, I have to buy weapons. Need to buy weapons. I'm gonna buy Elon. I don't have enough money. Money? No, I need to steal, not buy. This bacon has to stop. Whoop. Hey, come here. Hey, 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 come here. Don't do that to a person. Bro, he just scrolling. He's just scrolling. Bro, I'm lagging. What should go? Bro, that's a godly. No! 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 Please help me! Bro, slap that guy! Don't slap that guy! You're gonna let them steal your brain nut? Nah! You're the stoler, right? Come here, I'm gonna jump in your ass. Come here, Baka. Baka, Nani Baka, come here. Oh, I'm here. He flew me all the way to the rest of. Oh, I'm dead. They're gonna call me up. Corner me. Bro, they're cornering me. I'm gonna slap you in the face if you corner me again. I'm gonna slap you in the face. Slap, boy. Slap, slap. I miss every time. Oh, bro, stop, bro. You need to stop, bro. You're hurting me really. Bro, ano yun? Rec hall? Is it a rec hall from Grow Garden? Please, please, please. No, no, please, 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 please. No, oh. Bro, you need to let me go. So guys, bye-bye. This is still the end because I'm gonna tangle up. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. No. Bye.